Hey everyone, Jamie with Port St. Lucie Mortgage Brokers. Hope you're having a fantastic Friday. Today is November 11th, 2022, Veterans Day. I want to start by thanking all veterans and their family for the sacrifice you have given this country, providing all of us with a better life. Thank you. All right, so we have an update on a price change. Our older home frame with a pool has been reduced an additional $10,000. Let's dig in. All right, so let's see here. So just to recap, this house has now been on the market exactly 30 days, and it originally came on the market a couple of weeks ago, actually 30 days ago, at the price range of $409,900. It has now seen a $20,000 reduction in 30 days. Look at that. So, and good time for a notification. Compared to our other homes are now 425 and 409, and these other two homes are the new construction homes. All of these houses have now had substantial price changes. Our $425,000 home originally started right at about 460, and that was about 3-4 months ago, actually September, so a couple months ago it came on the market. Our 409, we just said 30 days, and then our other construction home, it has come down $120,000 in just 6 months. $120,000. It originally was priced at about 530. It is now at 409. So like I covered in my first video, very intriguing. These homes are located very close to each other in the southwest side of Port St. Lucie. We have two new construction homes on the market compared to an older frame home with a pool. Price just about the same, but as we can see, the older home is dipping in price a little bit quicker at this point in the process. So we'll continue to monitor these three homes, see how they're moving. I did want to provide you a little bit of more information on the 409 home. They do have an open house listed here for this Sunday, November the 13th. If you are interested to get out there and take a look at it, you are welcome to do that on Sunday between, let's see here, 12 and 4 p.m. So I'm going to be skipping this open house, but I will definitely keep monitoring it for any updates on price changes or open houses coming up. So, and I'll let everyone know. Other than that, if you missed my first original video based on my open house, I will link it to this video so you could take a quick look at it and let me know your thoughts. Which one's going to sell first? What are your thoughts on these three homes? Which one would you buy?